Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, as we have finished 2 lessons from our students' book and 2 lessons from our workbook, and in previous video I promised you that in next video we will start something new, right? So today I am going to start chapter 1 from our grammar textbook. This year you all have new grammar textbook, right? Madhuban it is. Yes. So from that we are going to start first lesson, that is alphabetical order. Yes, scholars. Now what is here? Can you recognize this picture? Yes, it's a room, right? Which type of room it is? It's very messy and clumsy. Why messy and clumsy? Because so many things are there and not on their proper place, right? Like this football is here near bed. This socks is on floor. Book is on floor. Bag is on floor and on rug, right? So whether we are keeping our room like this? No, if we will keep our room like this now, then mothers will start scolding, right? So better not to keep our room in this way. So what we have to do? We have to arrange all these things in their proper way, in their proper place, right? Like this book we have to keep in shelf in proper way. Like pillow we have to keep in standing order. Football in playroom, right? Socks with shoes. So in this way we have to arrange our room in proper way. So scholars, why I am telling or why I am showing you this room? Because our lesson is related to arrangement. Okay. Now see, here I am showing you a group of words. Many words are there. What are those? What are these? Eiffel Tower. Have you heard this word? Yes, of course. Taj Mahal. Have you heard? Yes. Gateway of India, Big Ben. All these names are of monuments, right? Okay. Then next, Sun Temple, Somnath, Dwarkadhish, Tirupati. These are the name of temples, very famous temples, right? Then Adidas, Puma, Sky bags, which you love a lot, Wildcraft, all these are the name of brands, right? So what is common here? That these are the words. We have a group of words. But how can we find out that which word will come first? Will come first means where it has to come first. When we will arrange these words in order, or if suppose that we have to search any meaning, we have to search meaning of these words, how we will find in any dictionary? So for that, what is required? We have to arrange this group of word in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means like we have 26 alphabets in English, right? You all know this. Since beginning, since your nursery, you are learning this, that we have 26 alphabets in our English language. So according to that, the first letter is A, right? So which word will come first when we will start searching, or when we will start arranging these words in alphabetical order? Then which word will come first? First it will come Adidas, right? Then second, B letter. After A, which letter will come? B letter. So Big Ben. Okay. After B, C. C is there? Any word which starts from C? No, there is not a single word here which starts from C. So next what we will see? We will see D. Any word with D? Yes, Dwarkadhish. So in this manner we are going to arrange this group of words. In which manner? In alphabetical order. Yes, now see. First is Adidas Big Band with B letter. C is not there, so D. After D, E. After E, G. So these words are in which order? In alphabetical order. Okay, now F, after G what will come? F. But we don't have any word with F here. So next what? We have to search in this way. Okay, so next G, right? So we have Gateway of India. Next, Puma. Why Puma here? Because after G we don't have any letter word which will come before P. So after G we have P letter. So we will write here Puma. Okay. So is we will see our lesson alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order means arranging items such that the first letter of each item follows the order of the alphabets. Okay, very simple it is that each word has to follow the order of alphabets. Order of the alphabets means A, B, C, D, like this. These are the order. Okay, suppose that we will take one example. This same example is given in your textbook also. You have to read your textbook thoroughly. Okay, while watching this video, you have to sit with your book, so it will be easy for you to understand all these examples. Now see, here is one example. Here are the group of words again. Okay, orange, watermelon, apple, mango and banana. These are the name of yummy fruits, right? So if you will get some task, if you will get this task to arrange this group of words or to arrange this group of fruits into one alphabetical orders, how you will arrange? Which word will come first? Obviously A will come first, right? So which word? A for apple. Okay, then next which will come? Obviously B for banana, right? So in this manner we are going to arrange this group of words. So if it will come apple, right, banana, then mango, after that O for orange, after that last W for watermelon, right? Because W, X, Y, Z, these are the last letter. Okay scholars, now we will see first exercise of our textbook, of our grammar textbook, right? Here are, what is the first exercise? Here are some titles of books in a library. Number them so that they are arranged alphabetically. What we have to do here? We have to arrange the name of these books. These books are in any library, okay? The titles of these books are here in this exercise. What we have to do? We have to arrange these books in alphabetical order. So according to that, which letter will come first? Obviously A. So we have to search whether any title starts with A. Let's see. Yes, this one, Alice Adventure. Okay, so we will give number to this book as a first number. Okay, next we have to see any book with B letter. No, we don't have. Then C. Yes, we have. We have two books with this C letter title. Which one? Charlotte's Web and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Now with these two we cannot keep together, na? How can we arrange two books together? No, we can't. So what we have to search? That then again next letter we will see. Here next letter is H and here again it's H. Okay, so next we will see third letter. Here it's A and here it's again A. Okay, then what we will do? Then we will go to fourth letter. Fourth is also same, R it is. Then we will go to fifth letter. Fifth is also same, it is L. Then next sixth letter. Sixth letter is here I and here O. So which letter comes first? Which alphabet comes first in alphabetical order? I, right? I letter comes first, means I letter comes before O, very before to O. So we will keep this Charlie and the chocolate factory, this book in second order, right? We will give this book as a second number. Okay, then third, which book? That Charlotte's Web, right? Okay, so in this way you have to arrange the name, the title of these books according to alphabetical order. The fourth one will Frog and Toad. Right after F, which letter comes? See here, G, right? Good Night Moon. So Good Night Moon is the fifth number book which we are going to arrange in alphabetical order. The next one is M, Make Way for Duckling, right? So in this I know it's very easy for you to arrange these books in alphabetical order, right? Very easy job. So in this way you can find meanings of the words in from dictionary. In which way? By seeing any word in alphabet. Okay, then second exercise, in your textbook it's given arrange the words in alphabetical order. Here the same thing, all words starts with F. So what you have to see? The second letter. Okay, second letter you have to see. If it is A, then that word will come first. And if any word is having a same second letter, means A and then A again in another word, then what you have to do? You have to see third letter. Okay, in this way you have to search the words, which word will come first. So which word will come first? Fashion. Why? Because it starts, say all words starts with F, but second letter A. In many words second letter is A, but we have to see then third letter. So here fashion will come as first, then faithful, because third letter here T is comes, this T letter comes after S. Then favorite, then feeling, right? Then felicity, ferocious, ferrous, festive, fiasco, and figurine. Okay, scholars, I hope you understood this, how to get any word in dictionary by seeing them in their alphabetical orders. So in next exercise you have to find out meanings of that words which are given in C exercise, and that you have, how you will get that words by seeing it in alphabetical order in dictionary. So that C exercise you have to do by yourself, that is your homework. And D exercise. Okay scholars, so exercise C and D is homework for you. You have to find meanings by yourself and you have to write. Okay, for grammar you have to make another notebook. Whatever exercises are possible you have to do in textbook, but if sufficient space is not there, then you have to write in notebook. So for English grammar you have to make another notebook. Okay, bye bye, take care.